Are you a new guitar player and just broke a string for the very first time? Your playtime is immediately cut off until you fix this problem. Even though it can be an easy fix, there is a certain process that you have to go through to correctly change a string on a guitar. In this video, I'm going to show you each step in changing a broken guitar string. Here's a list of materials you'll need. You'll need a clean work area, the guitar with a broken string, a new pack of strings, a snipping tool, a tuning peg winder, and a guitar tuner. Now that you have all your materials together, let's get started on changing that broken string. The first step in changing a string on a guitar is to remove the broken string. To do this, you will unwrap the end of the string from the tuning peg and remove the tip through the hole in the middle of the peg. On the other end of the guitar, remove the string from the saddle by pulling it through the hole, like so. Now take your new pack of strings and select the correct string to replace on the guitar. In this case, we're going to use the 4th D string. Remove the string from the pack and unwind it. This should normally take 2 or 3 winds to unwrap the string completely. Insert the tip back into the saddle and pull the string tight until the metal ball on the end of the string is inserted into the saddle. The next step is to tighten the new string to the tuning peg. First, insert the tip of the new string through the hole of the tuning peg. With your tuning peg winder, attach it to the peg and turn it. This wraps the string around the tuning peg, tightening the string to the guitar. If done correctly, you should see the string tighten up to the neck of the guitar. With your snipping tool, cut any excess string that's hanging off of the tuning peg. The last step is to tune the guitar. Attach your tuner to the headstock of the guitar and turn it on. Pluck the string of the guitar so it vibrates while you're tuning. To tune, simply turn the tuning peg with your hand to get it to the correct pitch. In this case, the correct pitch is D. Most tuners will show a green light when the guitar is in tune. And there you have it. You successfully changed a broken string on a guitar. Let's recap what all we've done. We removed the broken string by unwinding it from the tuning peg, removed it from the saddle, chose the correct string from our new pack of strings, inserted it through the saddle and tightened it back to the tuning peg, and we've tuned the guitar to the correct pitch. Now the only thing left to do is plug up and play.